Welcome to my HubSpot CMS website builder review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. In this video, we'll dive into the key features of HubSpot CMS, explore who it's made for, and look at its strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right platform for you. HubSpot CMS is an all-in-one content management system designed to help businesses build and manage websites with ease, focusing heavily on integration with HubSpot's CRM tools. Its standout feature is its seamless integration, making it ideal for businesses already using HubSpot's sales, marketing, and service tools. Whether you're building a blog, landing pages, or an entire corporate website, HubSpot CMS is designed to simplify the process with easy drag-and-drop editing and a range of customizable templates. This platform also offers robust SEO tools, content management, and analytics, all tailored for growth and performance tracking. Additionally, HubSpot CMS is known for its security features, including SSL certificates and a built-in content delivery network, CDN, to ensure your site is fast and secure. Now, let's talk about the strengths. The most notable one is the user-friendly interface, which requires little to no coding knowledge, making it accessible to non-technical users. The integration with HubSpot CRM allows for a personalized customer experience, which can be crucial for lead nurturing. Another strength is its flexibility. While it's easy for beginners, it also provides advanced options for developers, allowing customization through Hubel, HubSpot's proprietary templating language. HubSpot CMS also provides strong customer support, offering 24/7 help via chat, email, or phone. However, there are some weaknesses. First, HubSpot CMS can be pricey, particularly for smaller businesses or startups. While the basic features are accessible, some of the more advanced features, such as custom reporting and A/B testing, are locked behind higher-tier plans. Additionally, its design freedom is somewhat limited compared to platforms like WordPress, especially if you need very custom functionalities. Finally, while the platform is robust, there's a learning curve for newcomers to the HubSpot ecosystem. In conclusion, HubSpot CMS is a powerful website builder for businesses looking to streamline their website management and integrate it seamlessly with their marketing and sales tools. If you're already using HubSpot or need a simple, secure, and scalable solution, this is a great choice. However, if budget or extreme customization is a concern, you might want to explore other options.